Students, let's discuss exercise 3.6 second Roman. So the question is formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. So first subdivision is Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Okay. So Ritu is rowing in still water. Okay. Actually, we need to find out speed of Ritu in still water at the same time speed of the current. Okay. Here we consider the Ritu, that is a boat. Okay. In still water at the speed of the current we can consider as stream. You know that there is a waves. Okay. So let the speed of Ritu is in still water be x kilometer. Speed of the stream or current, okay, be y kilometer per hour. Okay, so that is only I am given one diagram here. See this speed of Ritu in still water, we know that x kilometer, speed of the stream be y kilometer. Okay, here see this, the condition is first one is downstream and the second one is upstream. Okay, here first I took upstream. Okay, so already you know about that upstream. What is meant by upstream? If the boat is moving to opposite to the stream, that is upstream. Okay, it is moving to opposite. Okay, in the opposite, what will happen? Suppose if the boat is moving 60 km speed in still water, the stream is, that means waves. Okay, so that speed is 20 kilometer. Okay, in case the speed of the stream is 20 kilometer and the speed of the boat is 60 kilometer, the boat is moving opposite to the stream. So what will happen? So 60 kilometer moving forward the boat and the stream is opposite to the boat 20 kilometer. Then means what is the actual speed of the stream? Okay, actual speed of the boat. Okay, so the moving is totally 40 kilometer. Actually we need to subtract here, so x minus y, actually we need to find out the difference, then only we can find out the actual speed, because the boat is moving forward and the water is coming to the backward. Okay, so the difference of these two speed is actually actual speed. So that is only here we took x minus y kilometer per hour. The second one is downstream. You know that what is meant by downstream. If the boat is moving towards the water, what will happen? Actually, the speed of the water is 40 kilometer. 20 kilometers speed of the water and speed of the boat is 60 kilometer, then totally how many kilometers? 80 kilometer speed. Okay, so 20 kilometer it is moving. In case if you are increasing the speed of the boat, or speed of the boat is 60 kilometer, then what is the total speed? The total speed is 80 kilometer. For this best best example is escalator. You all having experience in escalator. Okay, the escalators they are using in big shopping malls. Okay, in the escalator, just to see this, if you are moving upstream, okay, upward to the escalator, what will happen? Because the step is rolling towards to you, you are moving to opposite to the rolling step. Okay, that means what will happen? Definitely you will take some time to reach first floor or second floor. What will happen to the upstream? So the speed will be reduced. In case downstream, okay, if you are moving towards to the step, okay, suppose if you are going to second floor to first floor, you are using escalator, what will happen? The escalator is moving at the same time you are also walking, so you can reach the particular place in short time. Understand? That means you increased your speed. Okay, escalator also moving, you are also moving. Okay, so that is a downstream. That is a second condition. Okay, while doing this one, keep in mind that escalator. Okay, let's discuss. So we know that x is speed of Ritu and y is current or stream. Okay, so already we know the condition. How to calculate the speed? Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay, so see this downstream the speed is x plus y. At the same time, what is the given condition? The given condition is Ritu can row downstream 20 km in how many hours? 2 hours. So 20 km is distance and timing is also given. Okay, for the upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Okay, now we are discussing downstream only. So the distance is 20 km and the timing is 2 hours. Okay, so that is only here we are going to apply for the downstream. So downstream x plus y equal to 20 divided by 2 because the speed x plus y at the same time distance is 20, time is equal to 2. Then we can simplify these two by using second table. So it will be get 10. That is the first equation. Next upstream x minus y equal to what is the distance? 4 km. Time is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So therefore x minus y equal to 2. So adding these two equations. Here I am going to use elimination method. Okay. If you add these two, what is your answer? Your answer will be x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. So we know that here what will happen, x y will be cancelled, then the remaining 2x is equal to 12. Then what is the value of x? X is equal to 6. Okay, next we need to find out y. How to find out y? Substitute x is equal to 6 in equation 1. Okay, in equation 1, so 6 plus y equal to 10. So first equation x plus y equal to 10. So therefore y equal to 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, so hence Ritu's speed in still water is 6 km per hour and the speed of the current is 4 km. So x is Ritu's speed and y is speed of current. Okay, so the current is 4 km per hour. Okay, students, I hope you all understood this concept. Students, let's discuss exercise 3.6 second Roman third question. Rohit travels 300 km to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and her remaining by bus. Okay, so totally she takes 4 hours. 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. So what is the remaining? 240 km by bus. Okay. If she travels 100 km by train, second condition, and the remaining by bus. So what is the remaining? 200 km by bus. She takes 10 minutes longer. Okay. In case if she is using the second condition, by the traveling she is taking 10 minutes longer. Okay, then find the speed of the train and bus. Actually we need to find out the speed of the bus and train, so we don't know that, so better we can take speed of the train bu and speed of the bus v, or else you can use the some other variables x and y also. So already we know that here the speed and distance timing, that is only given, so we know that time is equal to distance by speed. Actually here given timing and travel the distance. Okay, here we need to find out the speed, so that purpose only here I took time is equal to distance divided by speed. We know the time and distance, actually we need to find out the speed. Okay, because the total distance covered by train and bus they given 4 hours. Okay. So first see this, if she travels 60 kilometer by train, so 60 kilometer by train, so 60 divided by u, because speed of the train. Okay, 60, if you know the speed of the train, 60 divided by speed of the train is, we can find out the time. Okay, for that purpose only I took like the 60 divided by u. And the what is remaining, and the remaining is 240 divided by v. So v is speed of the bus, so remaining is what, 240. So 240 divided by speed of the bus is v, then we can find out the timing. Okay, so sum of these two timing is 4 hours, that is the given condition. So that is the first condition. And the second one, see this, she takes 4 hours, that is first one. And the second one, if she travels 100 kilometer by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. So what is meant by 10 minutes longer? For example, if it is 4 hours, that 10 minutes longer means 4 or 10 minutes. Okay, she is taking extra 10 minutes. So how to do this one? So we know that 100 divided by 100 divided by u plus 200 divided by v. 100 divided by speed of the train plus 200 divided by speed of the bus equal to 250 divided by 6. Why I took like this? Because 4 or 10 minutes. Okay, we cannot represent. Okay, for that purpose only, that hours I converted into minutes, because 1 hour consists 60 minutes. Okay, so if you are using 4 or 10 minutes, you cannot find out. Okay, for that purpose only hours I converted into minutes. Okay, see this, how to convert into minutes. 250 minutes divided by 60 minutes. Okay, so we know that 1 hour consists 60 minutes, 4 hours consist 2 hours 40 minutes. Already they given taking 10 minutes longer, so 250 minutes. Okay, so 250 minutes divided by 60. Why we are dividing by 60? Then only we can convert into hours. Okay, so 250 divided by 60, because in this question they given kilometer per hour. So for that purpose only, here after converting we dividing by 6. If you simplify, you will be get 25 divided by 6. Okay, here after you know that how to do that. Substitute 1 by u equal to p and 1 by v equal to q. Okay, then you will be get, if you substitute, you will be get 60p plus 240q equal to 4, that is equation 3. Next 100p plus 200q equal to 25 by 6. 6 transposed to left hand side, so 600p plus 1200q equal to 25, that is equation. Next we need to find out the value of p and q. How to find out? Here I am going to use elimination method. Okay, you can eliminate p or you can eliminate q. Okay, here I am going to eliminate p. That means the equation 3 multiplied by 10 on both sides. Okay, if you multiply 600, 600 you will be get. So multiply by 10, 600p plus 200, 2400q equal to 40. Here also 600p plus 1200q equal to 25. Okay, here we are going to subtract. So we need to change their sign. Okay, don't forget here, need to change the sign, then only without confusion you can do this. Change the sign. Okay, if we change the sign, thereafter what will happen here, 600p will be cancelled. Okay, 600p will be cancelled. Then the remaining 1400 q minus 1200 is 1200 q equal to 15. Therefore, q equal to 15 divided by 1200. So is equal to 1 divided by 80. If we simplify by using 15th step, we get 1 divided by 80. We found the value of q. Then substitute the value of q in equation 3. So equation 3 is 60p plus 240q equal to 4. 240 into 1 by 80. So you will be get 240 divided by 80 is 3. So I written directly here 60p plus 3 equal to 4. Then 60p equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. So the value of p is 1 divided by 60. So we found the values of p and q. What is the value of p? 1 by 16. So p already we took 1 by u. 1 by u equal to 1 by 60. Then take reciprocal or do it cross multiplication. So the value of u equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Okay. The next v is equal to 80 kilometer. Just take reciprocal. V equal to 80 kilometer per hour. So we know that the speed of the train is 60 kilometer per hour. So we took u as speed of train and speed of bus is 80 kilometer per hour. I hope you all understood this.